Good morning, everyone. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 13th of July. Bank of Canada to take the sidelines. The Bank of Canada will meet today to decide on monetary policy, and officials are expected to remain on hold. Despite the devastating Alberta wildfires, the bank remained neutral at the latest meeting, noting that the economy would likely rebound in the third quarter as oil production resumes and the rebuilding begins. The economy's outlook has not changed significantly since then. Oil prices remained flat on average, while the core inflation rate declined, but only marginally. Bearing also in mind the government's extraordinary fiscal stimulus measures that were announced in March, we believe that officials will opt to take the sidelines at this meeting. We don't believe that the Brexit outcome will lead Bank of Canada officials to adopt an easy bias, given that the latest moves in global markets may offer some reassurance that the referendum impact will be relatively contained. Therefore, even though the bank could highlight some risks to the Canadian outlook, we expect officials to maintain a neutral tone overall, something that could keep the reaction in the loonie limited. On a longer-term perspective, given the gradual improving fundamentals of the Canadian economy and the fact that fiscal policy is playing an active role in the recovery process, we believe that the bank is likely to remain on hold for some time, at least in the absence of any adverse shock. As for the rest of the events, during the European Day, Eurozone's industrial production for May is coming out. In the US, the Fed will release its Beige Book. This will provide qualitative information to Fed officials on how the US economy has performed since the latest FOMC policy meeting, though it is usually not a major market mover. We have two speakers scheduled for today. Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz will hold a press conference following the rate decision. Dallas Fed President Robert Kaplan will also speak. Given the recent upbeat comments by FOMC members Mester and Bullard that the effects of Brexit are unlikely to affect the US outlook materially, it would be interesting to see whether Kaplan shares that view as well. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.